Oh, don't worry, guys. The silver play button is here. It's safe. That was a dream. I was dreaming. Wow. Finally, we did it. Silver play button is here. Come on, let's unbox it. Finally, guys, we did it. 100k silver play button is here. Thank you so much, guys. This was only possible with your love and support to this channel. Keep supporting, guys, and we will reach 1 million very soon. Let's open it, guys. Where is my legendary unboxing scissor? Where it is? Yes, here it is. Let's do it. Are you excited? I'm damn excited. Here we go. I have never seen any YouTube play button in my real life. I have seen so many unboxings on YouTube, and finally now it's time for me to do this. Let me introduce the silver play button, guys. Here we go. Wow. So we get a letter from CEO of YouTube, Suzanne Wojcicki. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100, your 1000 subscriber? Chances are you do. Let me think. Yes, I do remember my first subscriber, my 100 subscriber, and my 1000 subscriber. And we know that you will definitely remember your 1 lakh subscriber, that is 100k. Yes, definitely I remember him. Let me just show you. Let me just show you my first, who was my first subscriber, my 100 and my 1000, as well as my 1 lakh subscriber. I have kept all the records. So guys, Mr. Razin Chaule, he was my very first subscriber. I remember I made my channel in 2018 Feb, and he was the very first guy to subscribe my channel. Thank you, Razin. I really thank you from my bottom of my heart. He is the 100 subscriber. Jagrup Singh. On March 1st, 2020, I hit 100 subscriber. Next we have 1000 subscriber. Muhammad Hamzi Imara. He is the 1000 subscriber. And finally, I remember it was Feb 18 around 11:59 p.m. when I hit 100k. And Khanu, this was my 100k subscriber. So finally I remember all my subscriber. I will always remember, no matter how big my channel grows, I will always remember my subscriber, because only because of you I'm here and my channel has grown this much. Let's make it to even bigger, 1 million. Keep supporting, guys. What's this? Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. Wow, finally silver play button. Let's take it out. Wow, it's heavy. Oh, what's this? Recognize your YouTube team. So finally, guys, we have silver. Now it's time for gold. I hope we will reach it very soon. Oh, just let me check whether my hands are dirty or not. I'm sweating, guys. Let's put some sanitizer. Where is my sanitizer? Hey little sanitizer, where are you? Yes, we got it. Some sanitizer. Let's clean our hand. Wow. Yes, now my hands are clean and now we can touch it. Here I go. Yeah. Wow, it's beautiful. It's so shiny, beautiful, glossy. Present to you, Nad Noddy, for passing 1 lakh subscribers. Did it? Did it? Is it metal? It's heavy. Yes, I think it's metal. So we can hang it on walls. Now I have to find a place where I can hang it. Let's take a closer look. It's so beautiful and gorgeous. I just feel like eating it. Let me just kiss it. So this was the unboxing, guys. Now it's party time. Come on, bring the cake. My subscribers are waiting. Yes, come on. Bring the cake.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, wait a minute. It's not my birthday. Actually, we have hit 100k on YouTube, and that's why we are celebrating. Let's cut the cake. No. First, my subscriber, my audience will eat. No. This is for my audience, for my subscriber. First, my subscriber and audience will eat.
हो गया
Party was great. Now it's time to sleep. Let's turn off the light. I'm feeling damn sleepy.
2 hours later. The next day.
Where is my silver play button? Ah!